Good morning, kids. Jai Swami Narayan. Kids, in the same book, on page number 38, we will write the date first. It is 16th October 20, right? Match the same numbers in the three columns. Now, see, we have three columns, okay? So, we have to match the same numbers. See, one has given as an example. Now see 29, 29. So match it with this. Now find out number 29 on this side. It's here. So we will match it with 29. Right? 21. See, it's here. Now it's here. Okay, see 27. 24. 26 sits here. 30. Okay, done. Now see on the next page. See, color the boxes with the same numbers in each row. One has been done for you. They have colored the same numbers 26, 26. So in the same way we have to find out same numbers in this row. Is it there? Yes. See number 30 and again it's number 30. So we will color these. You can color the full box. I am not coloring. Okay. Now see 22, 22. You can use different colors if you want. Now see 28. And one more 28 is here. 23. 21. 25. 'Hey, done. So please kids, you also finish these two pages in this way. See you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Good morning, kids. Jai Swami Narayan. In book number 5, on page number 2, write down the date first. It is 16th October 20, right? Now, letter P in capital case and small case too. See. So, now you know, today we will trace and write letter P in capital and small. Okay? It's so easy. See? Draw one standing line and then a curve. In the same way, draw a standing line and a curve. Capital letter P, small letter p. Okay? P for parrot, P for pot, P for peacock, P for potato, P for papaya, P for pin. So many other objects are there. Now you know you have to color these two pictures, pot and peacock. So it's your homework. And now we will trace and write letter P. See, start from this dot. One standing line. Then we will draw a curve from red line to first blue line. See, in this way. In the same way, we will write one standing line and a curve. Done. Capital letter P. Now we will see small letter p. See, draw from this dot. Now this dot is on first blue line. See, in the same way, a standing line from first blue line to last red line, and then draw a curve within two blue lines. Okay, write in the same way from first blue line to last red line and draw a curve. Done. Small letter P. In the same way, complete this page too. See, capital letter P will start from red line to second blue line, and small letter P will start from first blue line to last red line. Okay? So, complete this page too, and now we will solve the exercise of this page too. Underline P in the words. See, P. We have to underline this in this way. P. See, P. See, P. 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 Okay, in this way. Write capital letter P and small letter p below the pictures. Now you know. You have to write capital letter P and small letter p below all these pictures. Okay, see, P for papaya, P for peacock, P for pillow, P for parrot, P for pen, P for pineapple. Okay, kids, so please complete these pages. Bye bye, kids. See you. Have a nice. In skill book, by mistake we have skipped to trace and write letter D. See, it is on page number 89. You can change the date if you want, or let it be. You just finish this on Saturday, okay, and submit it on Monday morning. It's okay. Trace and write the letter D, small letter D. So you know how to trace it. First we will write like small letter C, and then one standing line. Done. See, again within two blue lines, write letter C and then one standing line. Done. Small letter D. So now you know it is your classwork and this one is your homework. So you have to finish these two pages. Okay, kids? Just complete it on Saturday. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.